What's up, guys? Today we're filming a little soft wedding look. Okay, just kidding. Hi, this is Henry, and he just transformed my entire face. This is a special Halloween look for my channel.
Yay, and it's Nojusthenry on Instagram, just in case.
In case you want to look him up, we're gonna put his links down below with all the products that he used on my face today.
So I've been wanting to do this one. Well, we've been wanting to play makeup for a long time. So a couple years ago, I recreated a Joker look on myself. So I wanted to do a Joker look on him, which kind of matches old with new, kind of the Heath Ledger grunge, but with the artistry of the old Joker. So this is really exciting.
So we had a little Joker orgy on my face.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to watch, please continue on. If our voices or our faces make you throw up, then click on to the next video. All right, time to go to Walmart.
Okay, the first thing I'm going to start off with is liquid latex. I usually start off with the liquid latex first because it takes a little bit longer to dry, and I kind of want to see the shape as it's getting created. When it dries, you'll be able to go in and feather off the edges, so it's a little bit more seamless, but I'm using Van Dyke liquid latex. If you're allergic to latex, don't use this, or else you look like somebody jacked off with acid on your face.
When this dries, am I going to be able to mouth off and talk, or no?
Yeah, no, definitely. You want it to be able to talk.
Okay, good. I'm like, if I was my mouth would show, I would have some issues.
So what I'm doing is I'm starting from the end of his lips. And during like this middle section, you want a little bit more liquid latex there, because once it dries, we're going to rip it. So we can get that Joker laceration. And if you don't feather it out enough, when you rip it, it'll rip through where his actual skin is, and then it'll look fucking stupid. Small? Oh yeah, that's kind of fucking creepy. Now the reason why I love this look is because sometimes the beauty's in the non-structured essence of it. Like, it doesn't have to be all super perfect in all these places, so you can get a little bit messy and you can get a little bit creative and you can add your own twist. So I'm using a full coverage concealer. So for brows, what I like to do when I have more of a challenger brow, meaning they're shaved off, I will put concealer and I actually draw the outline of the brow before I fill it in, because it helps me, it's easier for me to create a brow that way on somebody with no brows.
A lot of people think I cover I've been shaving them since 10th grade. I have no idea what my rolls look like, which is the fun of makeup.
Now that I shaped the brows, and you don't have to worry about the size and everything, what you do have to make sure is that this bottom line is exactly how you want it. The top line doesn't matter because I'm going to feather them in, kind of like a ombre from down to up, or lower to top part of the brow. So the base color I'm using is going to be a brown color, and then later on, and then after I'm going to go and I'm going to put a color into it. I just don't want it to look one-dimensional. So I'm going to take a little bit of Mistletoe, which is Jeffree's new color, is coming off the holiday. And I'm only going to use a very little bit, as you can see. I'm going to wipe off excess. I just want a little hint of that green. Then I'm going to go under. And cover it up. And it's going to be more of a base color. And then we're going to put eyeshadow on top of that to give a little bit more of that depth. And as you can see, I'm doing little jagged marks up, so that the bottom is where the structure is, and then the top is a little bit of those flares. Very little. Very, very little.
Speaking, Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay. Henry's not playing games, he won't.
So this matte green eyeshadow is called 7 to 9 from Hot Makeup Professional.
So big and dead. A good brow takes time. People think it's a 2-minute thing. I'm like, brows take a second. It brightens your whole face.
So now with Mistletoe again, I'm gonna put a little bit more product this time on my hand, and then I'm getting a little paintbrush. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna add wispies on his brows. And this is gonna make him look even more realistic. So I'm going to use a really light concealer on his eyes because the white that I'm going to use everywhere else, I don't want that on his eyes because most cream colors don't dry down to a matte or a satin finish, so it'll eat up your eyeshadow. So whatever eyeshadow you create, use a concealer at a very light color. This is W10 for MAC. Okay, so now for the shadow, it's going to be multi-layers of starting with warm tones, taking it down darker. We're gonna do a lighter color on the lid and throw some gloss over that. So the color I'm gonna use on his lid is Jump Around from Hot Makeup. It's a super beautiful, like mermaid green. I like putting it on with my fingers versus the brush because it kind of packs it on better. So look down. And because Jeffree has a lot of lip space, really shows a lot, so it's pretty dope. And the reason I love doing the eyes first too, especially when you get this dramatic of color, if there's any fallout or anything like that, you can always clean them after. Bring more depth here. And look down, and then I'm going to bring more depth here so that those colors do pop, but that it's still edgy and dark. So we're not going to finish the eye look completely. This is the base of what we're going to do. I always like to get maybe 70% done and then come back to it at the end. And so now the next thing we're going to go on to is this latex. Now it's all dry. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to create the slit for the mouth, for the Joker's mouth. So this is why I told you to put extra, is so that we can go right here and pull it just enough that we can create a mouth out of it, but that it's not going to peel up here on the top part. So what I like to do is I go here and I'm going to pull a little bit back, and then I'm going to just put this in here, and I'm just going to make one slit, and then I can pull. When we cut it, so once we cut it, you can fold, because it's really sticky when it's at this state, you can fold it into itself. So then it starts to leave more room. So it's just not flopping around. That's what you want. You want that twisted shit going upwards. So next thing I'm going to do is use a white flash color stick from Makeup Forever. You color white. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of this face. I'm going to stay away from the lips for now. I'm going to let them finish drying up. So this brown that I'm using is another addition to that texture like I was talking about. So adding this in is going to bring less attraction to the actual liquid latex that's underneath. And so I do layers. I do browns, blacks, and a little bit of reds. The red mixed in with the brown and the black won't be as vibrant. And it'll look a little more natural. And you want to make sure you're painting that liquid latex, that dry latex, so you don't see any of the peachiness. Now we're going to add the red. Now this red that we're bringing into here, we're going to do two different versions. We're going to do this red, and then we're going to go and highlight it. I guess darken it, not highlight it, with the black. And this will bring a lot of dimension into this look, because that's what you want. You want the dimension. So you want to make sure, first and foremost, that this line is being led into the lips, so that this looks like it's one piece. That's the biggest point of this, is that this is supposed to look like the mouth. So you want to make sure you're blending these lines, and you'll see that I put a lot more dark, a lot more of this black right here, because I want that idea that it's just one big lip. And you can mess around with different textures and colors. I like to keep the outside of the lip a little bit more darker so it blends in more. So now I'm going to use Velour, and I'm going to put, I don't want to use the actual brush, so I'm going to put excess product on my hand, because you don't want to get all the product that we're already using on the brush. And then what I'm doing, since it's really extremely pigmented, I'm going to put it as a highlight, because everywhere else on his face I'm going to add more dimension. Remember, when you use this, and then it is very safe for the face, but you want to pat it in.
You're finessing it into the skin.
Because when you put anything over a cream, if you start to move it around, it'll get streaky. So with this look, we're almost doing reverse contouring, where what you would usually contour with lighter colors, we're contouring with darker colors. And it's because you want to give the face some light, even though it's kind of lifeless. But adding these kind of dimensions will bring so much more depth and contrast to your overall look. Where if we just left it white, it wouldn't look good, and it would look very amateurish. And we ain't amateurs up in the booth. So what I like doing is I like getting stipple sponges like this, and I'm going to get some of the dark brown, and I'm going to go and stipple, so it really will bring a totally different type of brightness. So I'm using the Makeup Forever Flash Color Palette. This palette is amazing, and as you can see, I've gone through it a lot.
If you don't own this as a makeup artist, you're missing out. You can literally do anything with it.
And because it's Jeffree Star, we're also going to stipple on some pink.
Yes.
And it almost looks veiny and cracky, and I love that. Like, it brings so much realisticness to this. So the color that we used on his brows, we're going to give him a little bit of highlight on that now. So this is a dark cream color, and the reason we're doing that is because when we throw the Vaseline on it, or the all-over gloss, but when we put it on, so it's MAC, it's discontinued, so sorry, you're gonna have to use a substitute.
We have to pull this out of our MAC archives.
This is from the vault.
Literally, like, we're talking 8 years ago. And even though makeup does have an expiration date, some products will honestly be good forever. I used to work at MAC 10 years ago, and I still have lipsticks that are honestly brand new.
So the reason I'm using this is because it has like a pearl effect. And not only do we get the cool color underneath, but we also get the dope pearl effect on top. The lashes I'm going to use are new. I just barely learned who they were, and I love this brand. So I'm going to use the lashes in Russian Black.
Ooh, that'd be a good lipstick name.
So this is the final look. We threw on the lashes. I threw on gloss all the way around here. I brought the latex of the lip up more. Threw a little bit of darkness so you can have some contrast. So if you see, I threw that same lip color on the lip and kind of splotched everything around. Remember, the key of this look isn't perfection. The key of this look is the grunge and the contrast of colors, except brows. You want perfect brows at all times. But other than that, this is the final look. Jeffree did his hair up, kind of grunged it up for you to give that real Heath Ledger feel, and that awesome jacket and his pretty ass little eyes.
Love it. So fucking cool. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm so excited.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah.